Hi everyone, Miss Tran here. Today I'm going to go over what mean and median represents in a data set, right? So what does it represent in a story? So earlier today, you should have learned how to calculate the mean and median of a data set. And in this video, we're looking at it contextually, right? What does it represent in the story that we're looking at? In this video, I'm going to go over 3 guiding questions. And these are the 3 questions that you're going to be able to answer by the end of the video. What does mean represent in a data set? What does median represent in a data set? And when should we use mean versus median? All right. So the last part, mean versus median, this is what we're previewing what we're going to be going over next week. So what does mean mean? What does the mean represent? The mean, or the average, is the central value of a data set. If you had many, many trials, this is the value that you expect the data set to have. The mean can also be the typical value you are expecting to see. All right, so what does that represent? What is that actually telling you? So let's take an example. Stephen Curry has a mean free throw percentage of 90%. This means that you expect Stephen Curry to make 90% of his free throw in every game, right? So the mean is what you expect to happen every single time. What does the median represent? The median is the middle data value of a data set. It's where 50% of the data is below it and 50% of the data is above it. Sometimes the median is a better use to describe the center of the data than the mean. So let me show you an example of when that's the case. The data set below shows the amount of money people working at Amazon makes per hour, right? So you have someone that makes 12, someone that makes 13, a few people that makes 13, someone that makes 45, and someone that even makes $50 an hour. The median is $14 an hour. This means that half of the people working there make less than $14 an hour, and half of them make more than $14 an hour. The mean, however, is $21.78. And remember, we just went over that the mean represents how much people typically make. But do people typically make that much at Amazon? No. No? Why no? Let's take a look at this data set again. If you look at this, 6 of the 9 people make closer to the median amount, right? So we have 12, 13, 13, 13, 14, and 15. These people make closer to the median amount of $14 than the mean of $21, right? It's closer to this number than it is to 21. Why did this happen? Why is the mean so high? Well, if we look at these 2 values at the end, the 2 hourly wages, how much someone makes an hour, at the end makes the mean bigger. It skews the result. It pushes the mean to the right. It makes the mean bigger. These 2 values made a big impact on the mean than these values did. So what does that mean? When do I use the median versus the mean? It all depends on your data values. If your data values are closer together, meaning they are the same number, then yes, you would use the mean, or the median is fine. Let's say the data values aren't close together. The values are very different and far away. Then you want to use the median. So if you look back here, most of these are together, but then you have a few that are not together. They're very far away. Because of this, it's better to use the median than it is to use the mean. That's the end of today's video. Make sure that you complete the video reflection that is attached to your homework.